we will discuss regarding the key side effects of NSAIDs. NSAIDs are those drugs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs used against the inflammation. So it can cause various kind of diseases. We will understand with the mnemonic. So we will start from and cause the nephritis, which is the inflammation of the tissue of the kidney, means especially of the nephron. And special location is targeted area, the glomerular basement membrane is disturbed. And the second one is stroke, it is the cerebrovascular accident. And mi is the ischemia of the myocard, can lead towards the heart failure. And the third one is aplastic anemia, where bone marrow is unable to produce RBCs. The fourth one is ischemia, especially the ischemia of the renal artery, where renal artery stenosis occur, and renal artery stenosis can lead towards the severity of hypertension, especially secondary hypertension. And the fifth one is duodenal and gastric ulcer, collectively known as peptic ulcers, where there the mucosa of the duodenum and stomach is disturbed.